Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is poached egg with sweet ferment rice. Sweet ferment rice also called
酒酿
is made by fermenting glutinous rice and sweet koji. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that sweet ferment rice is sweet and warm in nature. It has the effects of warming yang and unblocking meridians, strengthening the spleen and replenishing qi, appetizing and digesting, and dispelling cold and replenishing deficiency. Suitable for most people, especially elderly people, pregnant women and those with weak health. Let's get started. Prepare an egg, crack it into a bowl. One tablespoon of sugar and 7 wolfberries. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that wolfberry can nourish the kidneys and replenish qi, is a commonly used health food. 250 milliliters of sweet ferment rice. I bought it ready-made. You can also make it yourself. Heat a pot of water, 800 milliliters. First add the egg, let it take shape, then cook for 3 minutes until cooked through. Add fermented rice wine, wolfberry, and sugar. Bring to a boil again. Turn off the heat. Nutritious and delicious poached egg in sweet ferment rice is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.